In today's video, we're gonna pack a bologna and cheese sandwich for school. Now you can eat it now, or with these tricks, learn how to keep it fresh in the lunchbox for hours. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas and easy family meals. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. For today's bologna sandwich, I'm using sandwich bread. I'm gonna have it fresh. You could also lightly toast it until it's a little bit golden and brown. That keeps it nice and crisp until lunch, but for this, we're just gonna keep it fresh. I'm gonna start out by spreading some mayo on one side of the bread, and on the other side, I'm gonna spread mustard. If you don't like mustard, feel free to spread mayo on both sides. On the mustard side, I'm gonna put the bologna slices. I did not fry this up. I'm just putting it fresh. On top of the bologna, I'm going to place a slice of cheese. And on the mayo side, that's where I'm gonna place my lettuce. Now, if you do like sliced tomatoes in your bologna and cheese sandwich, now will be the time to place it right here between the cheese and the lettuce so that the juices from your tomatoes don't seep down into the bread and make the bread soggy. If you don't want any tomatoes, you can totally omit them. By the way, if you're finding tips like this one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always include them on my videos for you. I'm gonna close my sandwich, and as you can see, this bologna cheese sandwich is perfect. Now you can eat the sandwich now or pack it in a lunchbox for school. If you do that, you may want to slice your sandwich in half and place it in the main compartment of the lunch container. Along with that, I'm going to pack some healthy sides. In this case, I'm going to add some veggies like carrots and some blueberries on the other compartment. If you want to pack a dip, whether it's hummus or dressing, for the carrots, I like using these small lidded and leak-proof containers. All you need is a little bit of dip or salad dressing and pour it inside one of these small lidded containers and then place on the lid, seal it all the way around, and this dip is ready to be packed for lunch. Now all I have to do is put on the lid and pack this lunch inside of my lunch bag with or without an ice pack, depending on where you live. Add that dip in there, zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. Check the links below the video for that dipping container and other delicious school lunch ideas. See you next time.